before you set up a project, it's helpful to keep everything required for this project in one master folder. Within this master folder, you can then have individual folders to keep everything organised. For example, folder 1 can be for your footage, with separate folders for each camera you've used, and additional folders if you've used multiple memory cards for one camera. In this example, folder 2 is for your audio, and folder 3 for your project file. If you're using Adobe Premiere, it's helpful to create a folder for the Premiere file, and one for all the scratch media, which are extra files that the software will generate as you edit. When you launch Premiere and create a new project, make sure to set the project to save in the Premiere Pro folder you've created, and also make sure your scratch disks are set to the designated scratch folder you've created as well. These scratch folders just help to keep everything neat and all the files related to the project within the master folder. Much like the master folder we've created for the project, within Premiere it can be helpful to create a folder structure to keep all your edit assets organised. Again, the simple structure of folder 1 for video footage, folder 2 for your audio, and this time using folder 3 for your edit sequences.